So while making post over here inside of Google Classroom as an announcement, what you can also do is you can go around and attach out files with it. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here on the bottom, and you can see that upload file is an option over here. So once you do that, what happens is that it says insert files using Google Drive, and then you get to the upload section directly. So what you can do right here is you can go around and click on browse, and then you can go around and select out files that you want to go around and upload out as an attachment. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and select out let's say this file right here and click on open, and what happens is that the file will be uploaded out right here, and it is inserted as a Google Drive link, as you can see right here. So whenever you're uploading out attachments, what happens is that it's getting uploaded in your Google Drive. You can go around and upload out multiple files over here as well. Say, for example, I'm going to go around and upload out this file as well, as you can see, and it's uploaded into Google Drive right here, and it's inserted around over here as an attachment. So now you can simply go around and say, please refer to these files, and I'm going to go around and click on post, and what happens is that the attachments that you have will be posted over here just like this. So that is how you can go around and then upload out files as attachments for announcements inside of Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.